The Ford Explorer key fob enables keyless entry, ignition start, and alarm functions. Battery replacement is common every 1 to 3 years using a CR2032 lithium coin cell. To open, first identify your model year. Pre-2018 models usually have a release tab, while 2018 and newer often require prying. For pre-2018 models, look for a small release tab, a notch or button on the back or side. Press or slide it to release the keyblade if attached. For 2018 and newer models, a pry tool is often necessary. Gently insert a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam and twist to separate the halves. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic or damaging the internal gasket. Remember, precision is key to avoid damaging the circuit board. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery, noting its polarity for correct installation of the new battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it matches the correct orientation. Next, reassemble the fob by snapping the case back together, making sure the rubber gasket is properly seated to maintain weatherproofing. Finally, test the fob's functionality immediately after reassembly. If you encounter issues, or if the fob is a smart key, consult your Ford owner's manual or the Ford app for potential reprogramming steps. Working in a clean, dry area and using anti-static gloves can prevent electrostatic discharge damage to the electronics. Improper prying is a common cause of damage, so proceed gently and methodically.